مرحبا بالجميع. Hi everyone, this is Maizuddin Aladimeji and welcome to today's lesson. Mashallah to you to having gone this far. You know, it's been a long series of videos talking about all of these letters of the Arabic alphabet, and in the last video we finally concluded those lessons, and in this video inshallah we want to have a quick revision of these letters so you can master how to write each one of them inshallah, and how to identify them in their isolated form as we've learned them. So let's take it from the first one here. You see, the first one here we have alif. Remember, alif always looks like something like a one, so this is alif. Ba has this spread out curvy shape with a dot underneath. We have ta with the same shape with two dots above it. Tha with the same shape with three dots above it. Then we have jim, ha, and kha. Jim, ha, and kha. They have exactly the same shape. Jim has a dot below it, ha no dots, and kha a dot above it. We have dal and dhal, the same shape. Dal no dots, dhal one dot above it. We have ra, we have zai, both have the same shape. Ra has no dots, zai has a dot above the letter. We have sin and shin. Sin looks like a W with this semicircle facing up. Same thing as shin, but sin has no dots, while shin has three dots above it. We have sword, we have dot. Sword has no dots and dot has one dot above the letter. We have to, looking like a B, but quite modified. Then we have tho, so we have to and we have zo. To has no dots, while zo has one dot above it. We have ain. Ain, how do you describe this? Look like a 3, in like a mirror image of a 3, but the down part is larger than the top. That is ain. Gain has the same shape with a dot above it, unlike ain, which has no dot above it. We have fa. Fa has this head, which is like a circle, or like a just rounded. Then we have the tail, which is quite long. Just remember, fa, the tail is far from the head. Then we have one dot above it. We have qaf, the same shape, just like fa, although more closely written, then with two dots above it. We have kaf. Kaf looks like this. We have a vertical line alongside an horizontal line. Then in between it we have something looking like hamza. So that's actually close to an inverted 2. We have lam, looking like the handle of an umbrella. We have mim. We have nun. Nun is not as spread out as ba, and nun has one dot above the letter, unlike ba, which has its dot below it. We have wow. We have ha. Remember, this is one of the shapes of ha. There are other shapes. So for instance, we have this other shape for ha. That's another shape of ha. Then we have yeah, and then we have the two special letters lam alif and hamza. Remember, we said lam alif has two branches. The first branch on the right side represents lam, while the second branch represents alif, and this is hamza, which is often used alongside alif. All right, I believe you've understood this, so let's move to a quick assessment. Now, before we move on, try to say the Arabic alphabets in the correct order from alif to ya, and the extra 2 while identifying each letter from the list below, as you say it. So what we're trying to say here is, the first letter here is short. I'm not saying the first test here is for you. You're not to read this from short to the next one here. You have to look for alif. Start from the correct order, which is alif, ba, ta. So you look for alif. For instance, it's alif. You look for ba. So at this point now, I would like you to pause the video and give it a try and see if you can actually do that. If you can't, whatever you've done, you can then restart, resume the video and check what we're doing now. You can go ahead and pause the video. All right, if you've paused the video and you've tried it out, now let's check. This is alif, this is ba, okay, this is ta, this is tha. The next one is jim, which has a dot below it. This is jim. Ha, this same shape, no dots, ha. Kha, this same shape with a dot above it, kha. Dal, dal, this is it, and dal. Ra, then zai with a dot above it, then sin, this is sin, then shin, the same shape with 3 dots above it, shin, then sword, sword, then dot, dot. Tor looking like a B, tor. Zo with 1 dot above it, zo. Then ain looking like a mirror image of 3, remember, ain. Then gain, this same shape with a dot above it, gain. Then fa, remember, like a rounded head with a tail that is quite long. Fa, let's look for fa. Good, this is fa. Then qaf, this is qaf. Then kaf, this is kaf. Then lam, this is lam, looking like the handle of an umbrella, remember. Then mim, mim, there you are. Then we have nun, nun. Then wow, there is wow, this is wow. Then ha, this is ha. Then yeah, this is yeah. Then we have the 2 special letters, lam alif and hamza. This is lam alif, remember the 2 branches, lam alif, and this is hamza. All right, so we'll end it there. Let's have another form of assessment. This on this same slide. Instead of looking for the letters in the correct order, now let's read it in this order that it's written. Let's try to do that. The first one here, sword. Is that what you said? Next one, what do you think? Lam alif. Next one, kaf. Next one, nun. Mim. Dal. Alif. Qaf. I'm pausing to allow you guess or to allow you give a try or attempt it. Next one, tha, ta, zai, gain, ra, wow, hamza, shin, ha, fa, sin, to, dot, kha, ain, ha, zo, dal, ya, ba, lam, and jim. All right, so with this, I believe you should have mastered the letters of the Arabic alphabet and their various shapes in the isolated form. In the next set of videos, inshallah, we'll learn the other variations of their shapes, how they look when they are in the initial form, when they are connected to other letters in the same word, So they often take on this different shape. So we'll learn that in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.